All right, here's another example of the type of problems we were doing in class. In one state, small bottles have a refund value of 4 cents each, and large bottles have a refund value of 8 cents each. Your friend returns both small and large bottles and receives 56 cents. This situation is given by 4x plus 8y equals 56. We could have said 0.04x plus 0.08y equals 0.56. They're equivalent. I just multiplied each of them by 100. Where x is the number of small bottles and y is the number of large bottles. Therefore, the dollars received is a function of the number of bottles turned in. The next thing we're going to do is find the x-intercept. You may remember that the x-intercept is when we make the y equal to 0. So we're going to start with 4x plus 8y equals 56. We'll replace the y with 0 and continue solving. 4x equals 56. Divide both sides by 4. X equals 14. We come over to our graph, and along the x-axis we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And we placed our dot, showing that is in fact the x-intercept. To do the y-intercept, we start with the same equation, 4x plus 8y equals 56. This time we make x equal to 0. 4 times 0 plus 8y equals 56. 8y equals 56. Divide both sides by 8. Y equals 7. We're going to count on our y-axis up 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are our two intercepts. The last part of this problem says, what are 3 options of the amount of each size of cans turned in? There are a few ways to do this. One way is we can just look at our problem and plug in new numbers. Let's say I pick 4 for x, or 4 small. 4 times the 4 small I turned in plus 8 times the unknown y value, or the unknown amount of large, will equal 56. 16 plus 8y equals 56, minus 16 from both sides. 8y equals 40, y equals 5. So if I turned in 4 small, I must have turned in 5 large. We can also start by saying, what if we turned in 4 large? 4 times the amount of small plus 8 times the 4 large will equal 56. 8 times 4 is 32. And we have our 4x. Subtract 32 from both sides. 4x equals 24. Divide both sides by 4, and we get x equals 6. So 4 large and 6 small. We can also go up and graph these on our coordinate plane. We have 4 small, 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 large, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 large, 1, 2, 3, 4. 6 small, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are a total of 8 different combinations. I found 4. Can you find the other 4?